The goal when using artificial intelligence in Koubi is that Koubi replies on your behalf to those repetitive messages. What do I mean by that? If you find yourself constantly answering to the same type of questions and making something super repetitive, then this is for you. So the artificial intelligence of Koubi will reply to your clients only when it is certain that it will answer with accuracy. And you can also decide who you want to reply automatically. So for example, I will show you how to set it up. But if I set up that I want to reply to this contact automatically, let's say I'm a contact and I'm reaching out to Koubi, and Koubi has set up the artificial intelligence. So if I ask to Koubi how to link my WhatsApp, and I am assigned to a database, and that database contains how to link my WhatsApp, then it will automatically reply on your behalf. I mean, right now, Koubi is the business using the artificial intelligence, but of course, it will just come from your WhatsApp number directly. The goal is that the user doesn't know that it's a bot replying. It will try to reply as if it was just a normal human. And also, if I ask something more personal, like, what are you doing this weekend? That question will not be, well, I assume that question is not on the database that I assigned to Koubi. Therefore, Koubi will not reply on those cases when it doesn't have an answer. And then it will just leave it unread. So then you can just go and answer to the unread messages. And then you can still have a personal relationship with your clients while making it way more efficient. So I'll show you how to set everything up. We are going to create a new database. I already have a database created, so it's going to be easier if I show it here. But in this one, I just called it frequently asked questions. In this one, it's in Spanish, but it says like, what is Koubi and how does it work? Is Koubi free? And so on. I can set up as many frequently asked questions as I want. I can set up more here, and you can add your answer. And then just click add frequently asked question. So once you do that, then you want to assign to which contacts you want to reply automatically. So just by doing this, it doesn't mean that it will reply to all your contacts. This may not be efficient. You maybe want to reply to certain contacts. You maybe only want to reply to those contacts that you do not have saved. So in here, actually, you can say like saved contacts, unsaved contacts. These two always come by default. This one is from a broadcast list that I will explain in a second. But anyways, in here, you can set up, for example, I don't know, I only want to reply to those contacts that I don't have saved, right? Like, because that means that maybe they're not actually my current clients and they're reaching out because they found my WhatsApp somewhere. So I can set up that in here. And what that will mean is that if a contact that I don't have saved, just keep in mind that saved means in Koubi. So if my contact is not saved here, then it will reply automatically. However, if my contact is saved here, then it will not reply. That's the same for saved contacts. So for example, if I set a saved contacts, then it will only reply if it is a saved contact. If you want to reply to all the messages that you receive, I mean, only it will reply if it has enough context to reply. But if you want to potentially reply to all the messages you receive on your WhatsApp, you can set saved contacts and unsaved contacts, and that will mean everybody. However, if you want to have more control, whereas who you want to reply to automatically, then that's where broadcast lists come into place. So you go to contacts and then you go to broadcast lists. In here I already created a list that it's called Koubi users. And in here you can set up all the contacts that you want. In here I just have one set it up. So once I have that one set up, I can go here, I can go frequently asked questions, and I can assign that one in here. And that's it. Then every time anybody in this broadcast list reaches out, then we're going to check if we're able to reply. And then if we're able to reply, then it's going to be replying.